Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and then just connect with your account. And if you don't already have an existent account, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts, or you can just sign up and create a new account to access to your Trello workspace. So after you successfully log into your Trello web application, you will need just to follow these simple steps. So the first thing that I'm doing now is to go to our profile picture or to our picture here to reach our uh, account settings. So we are going to click on the profile picture and then we are going to click on manage accounts, and basically it will take us or redirect us to the account panel or settings panel, and here you see that we can change our profile picture. So basically we are just going to add profile picture or photo, and we are going to upload one from our desktop, and I'm going to click on it and click on upload, and you will have it in your profile picture. So you will need just to wait until it upload successfully like that, and as you can see, avatar added, and also you can add some header image or cover for your account. And just I'm going to use the same image as an example, and also you can change other thing in your account if you want, or make it just visible for me, and then you will go back uh to your workspace and Trello and just reload the page, and you will find your account that has been changed its profile picture, because it take us to Atlassian accounts, because the Atlassian is the company that created Trello, and that's why it take us to the Atlassian website to change the profile picture. So basically this is how you can change your profile picture in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.